Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to easily move your smart number account. So here I'll be teaching you how to easily move a smart number account using the smart app. So here, as you can see right now, I'm going to teach you how to manage two SIM cards at one smart app account. So all we need to do is open up our smart app here at our phone. Then on the bottom right corner, you will see accounts and click on accounts right there. After going accounts, you will see all the numbers linked right here. As you can see right now, there's only one. So here, you can click on the three dots on the top right corner on the side of it. Then you can add an edit nickname. So here you can add a nickname for your smart prepaid. For let's say smart one or first number, something like that. And you can load them or switch them easily by just clicking on them. So here we have two options. We can either do it smart or talk in text TNT. Link it to any of those. You can link it to another smart account or TNT. And you can also link it to home Wi-Fi or postpaid, prepaid, or what they call this? Bro smart account. So this is very useful when you're doing like a if you want to pay your bills online, and you don't and it's much more easier here by just clicking on the account right here. There you go, by just clicking on there. And if you have GigaPay right here, you have money or you have a wallet, you can just create a wallet by just clicking right there, and it will give you a 10 giga points for creating a wallet. So when you create a wallet here, it's like having a Gcash, or maybe it's like having a PayPal in your smart app account. So you can add money here, so you can easily load yourself or load your internet, load your other numbers and that stuff. And plus you will get much more points. So here are the points right here. And what can you do with points? A quick tip for you guys. Here are the points. You can what they call this, earn them. After earning them and saving them, you can buy them with loads right here. As you see, buy loads and so much more. Just click on view all. Here are all the loads you can buy with those points. There you go. So you see the price of the points: 99 points, 249 points, and so much more points right there. And here there's so much more right here. So yeah, there you go guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And you can also do a pasa your points if you want to send your points. So there you go guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.